Rice Luxury Motors, visiting Aleon Ink. Let's see what projects we got going on right now. We got the Nova over here. The Corvette hiding out. The GTO. And the 66 Chevy C10. And what do we have laying up over here? Oh, Riviera. Another Chevy. It's a good time to have the frame machine empty to catch up on some of these projects. Let's see what the GTO. And when you follow Aleon Ink, YouTube at Demolians. The GTO. Looks like we got something going on here with the Supercharger. Can't wait to see this one when it gets complete and put it back on the road come springtime. For now, it's pretty much all that we got going on this week. Join, subscribe, and have a good day.